Welcome to Calc-Tech. We produce software for your graphing calculator so you can crush the SAT test. How is this possible? You install our software on your graphing calculator, which only takes 5 minutes, and use it during the test, which is allowed according to the CollegeBoard. This software makes it possible to make calculations more quickly and with greater accuracy than would normally be possible if you tried to solve these problems by hand. We've pre-programmed every equation that you will ever need into a simple, fast, and easy-to-use interface. We've found that on average, students are able to increase their scores by 60 points, and often more, just by using this software. Now you might think, but I'm really good at math. Why would I need this software? And the answer is, you need it because the SAT test is all about time. Sure, you know the approach to the problem and you know the equations needed, but how fast can you make those calculations by hand? And what if you make a mistake in setting up your equation? With the SAT operating system, you won't have to worry about time or making mistakes during the test. So let's get right to it and solve a real SAT math problem with this software. First, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem using the software, and then I'm going to show you how to solve the same problem by hand. This is problem 14 on page 311 of the official SAT study guide by the CollegeBoard 2nd edition. The problem reads, in the figure above, the slope of the line through points P and Q is 3/2. What is the value of K? Now we're going to solve using the SAT operating system. Which is answer B. Now we're going to solve this problem the long way. If you don't know the equation for the slope of a line, you're out of luck here. That's where the SAT operating system would definitely come in handy if you forgot an equation, but if you do know the slope of a line, then we can proceed. Slope of the line, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, we have the slope is equal to 3/2. Y2 is 7 minus 1 over x2, which is k minus 1, right there. Okay, now we're going to bring it down. 6, k minus 1. Okay, then we're going to cross multiply. 3 times k minus 1 is equal to 6 times 2. And 3k minus 3 is equal to 12. 3k is equal to 12 plus 3. 3k is equal to 15. Now we divide both sides by 3. K is equal to 5, which is our answer, and that would be B, and we would circle B and then bubble in B on our answer sheet and then move on. As you can tell, the process was definitely a lot longer than what would normally be required if you were to use the SAT operating system, and I wrote everything out completely with full steps so that I would not make a mistake. With the SAT operating system, you do not have to worry about making a mistake because all of the equations are pre-programmed. You simply enter your values and an answer is returned to you. In this case, it was also 5, and I moved on to the next problem. And that's our comparison between how a problem is solved using the SAT operating system and then by hand.